Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and since in today's video I'm coming to you with a hair review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Asteria hair. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as playing makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, sis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's jump into it. Okay guys, so again I received this unit from Asteria hair, and it came in this bag right here, and I think I'm saying it right, Asteria. So yeah, Asteria hair came in this bag. Inside of the bag is, girl, let's see, so we have a wig cap, we have an elastic band, which girl, I needed another one of those. We have an edge brush, and we have a pair of lashes. And these are really cute, by the way, like 3D 25mm is what it is looking like. So girl, let me show you this wig. It's all caught up in my stuff. But yeah, this is the wig. I did bleach the knots and pluck it. So yeah, and as well, you guys already know I will have more of the deets on this unit once we jump further into the video. But I do know it is a closure unit. Girl, just stuff just falling off of the wig. But yeah, this is a closure unit, 5x5 to be exact, and it's just really pretty. Like, the curl pattern is gorgeous. Again, you guys, I did mess with it a little bit, but I will have in the corner what it looks like straight out of the package. But yeah, this is the unit. Really cute. This is, well, first let me show you the top. So this is what it's looking like. And then this is what it's looking like in the inside. Again, a 5x5 closure. Then it has two combs, one on either side, as well as a comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. So yeah girl, it's looking really nice. It's really full, like, sis, this is really full. But yeah, let's go ahead and put her on. So I'm starting off by using some lace tinting spray in the color medium dark brown by the brand Red, and I'm just spraying that all along the lace. Y'all, and if I didn't tell you already, that lace tinting spray smells so good. On the can it tells you that it smells like peaches, and that indeed it does, girl. It smells really good. But yeah, I'm just adjusting my wig to my liking. Then I'm going to lay my wig using my Got to Be Glue Free spray. Again, y'all, I'm just gonna spray along the hairline, and then I'm gonna blow dry it in. Now I'm going to tint the lace again because, as you can see, it is a little white where I cut it. But yeah, I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm just putting some powder along the lace. Then I'm going to go in again and use some more Got to Be Glue Free spray. Spray along the hairline one more time, and then seal it in using my blow dryer. And sis, this is going to create the perfect melt. So before I begin styling the unit, I'm just combing out the glue because the glue does harden once you blow dry it or whatever, because you kind of get glue on the hair, or I do, or I did. Anyway, so I'm just combing that out, straightening out the front. Then I'm going to go ahead and begin parting it. I'm going to do a middle part. And again, y'all, are not even again because I didn't tell you, but I over bleached my knots. So yeah, and I kind of over plucked it. Or not really, but I plucked in the middle where the part is, so it does look kind of, you know, funny, but we are gonna fix it in the end, so yeah, don't trip. So now I'm going in with my wax stick and I'm going to put that along the parting space, and then after I get it to my liking or whatever, I'm going to go in with my hot comb. Now I have my hot comb on low heat, just given the fact that my hair is still damp and I didn't want to fry the hair, so yeah. So now that we are all styled up, I'm going to pull out some baby hairs on the sides. Once I get the baby hair to my liking, I'm going to cut them and then curl them with my little flat iron. Then to lay them down, I'll be using some more Got To Be Glue Free Spray. So I'm going to touch up the front one more time with my hot comb and just get it to lay as sleek as I can. Once I get it to my liking, I'm going to put the elastic band on so my edges can lay flat and that the lace can melt in my skin. Then we're going to begin to curl the hair with just some plain water in my Cantu curling cream. I'm going to put that all along the hair, rub my fingers through it, and use my denim brush just to get the curls, you know, to pop. So we gonna touch it up one more time, and I know y'all like, sis, how many times are you gonna touch this wig up? Like, girl, I be trying to get my wig to lay as flat as I can. So yes, we gonna do the wax, we gonna do the hot comb at least 3 to 4 times on this unit before I like it. Anyway, we're gonna take this elastic band off, and ooh, she's looking cute. It laid down nicely, but as I told y'all before, I did over bleach the knots, so I'm gonna go in using some mascara and just kind of touch it up in the front. I did kind of OD on the mascara, just a little bit. Don't worry, in the end off camera I did end up fixing it, but yeah, I'm just doing that, and then we're going to use some powder from that Black Radiance contour palette and put that down the part, and just pretty much we're just touching it up. Sis, this is what the hair turns out looking like. Girl, we are gorgeous. This hair is so pretty. Like, girl, yeah, get into it. The hair is pretty. So let me turn around. Oh, and by the way, this is all of the hair pulled up to the front. So yeah, let me turn around so you can see the back. Y'all, and this hair is fairly long. I'm 5'7", forgive the pants, but yeah, I'm 5'7", and it comes down long, y'all. So let's push it back up to the front and get into these details, sis. Okay, so again, y'all, this is from asteriahair.com, and this is their invisible lace long wig. It says water wave hair, Brazilian human hair pre-plucked with baby hair, and this is 22 inches. It's a 5x5 HD lace, 180% density, and girl, it was something else. 180% density, and oh, the cap size. This is a large cap size because your girl has a big head, and yeah, a large cap size is much needed. And speaking of the cap size, if you do have a larger head like me, then a large cap size would fit you perfectly, because girl, this wig is on my head perfect, not too tight, not too big at all. Like, it's a perfect fit. Like, yeah, it fits me really nicely. The texture of this hair is, girl, the hair is really thick. Like, I'm surprised it's 180% density, because this is some really thick and full hair. It just overall is really soft. You can run your finger straight through it. You will receive a little bit of shedding, but nothing alarming at all. And again, like I always say, curly hair tends to shed just because you're manipulating it when you put the product in and you're rubbing through the hair and stuff. So I mean, it's expected for some hair to come out, but again, you guys, it wasn't nothing alarming, just, you know, just the normal amount of hair coming out. But again, y'all, the texture is just really soft, really full, not thin at all. The ends are good as well. They're not too frizzy at all. I did drench this unit in water, and it's still pretty damp. The ends are drying up, as you can see, but it's not like, you know, frizzy ends or whatever. The ends are still intact. No need to trim them or cut them or anything like that. But girl, yes, you get all of your 22 inches, if not more, because I really feel like this unit is long. Again, let me stand up and show you. And again, y'all, I'm 5'7", so girl, the unit is pretty. And the lace melted super nice. Like, girl, HD lace to the T. Like, you know how sometimes companies always like to put the HD in front of the lace and the lace is not HD? This one is definitely HD lace. Like, girl, I cannot see it in person. I'm not sure about on camera, but it looks really good. I did end up over bleaching my knots. As y'all saw, I had to add some mascara just to make everything blend in, but girl, it looks really good. It melted good. The baby hairs is laying very nicely. Like, girl, overall this unit is bomb. I will have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.